to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Stella, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I slay my eyebrows. So I don't know why I said it like that, but basically I'm gonna show you guys how I get my eyebrows together with a few simple products, which I will be listing down below in the description box. Everything that I am gonna be using on my eyebrows is drugstore and fairly, I wouldn't say fairly, I would say that it's very affordable compared to maybe what other people like to use as far as their products. But this is just what works for me. And like I said, I love, love, love a thick full eyebrow. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think at the end. All right, let's get into it, guys. So we're gonna use some Wet Lines Xtreme gel on our eyebrows today. And honestly, any gel will work. This is just what I have on hand right now. But you won't need a lot of it. I'm just gonna take like a little dab. And then I'm gonna use my LA Colors Browie Wowie brow pencil. It's basically a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. So I'm just gonna brush that gel that I just applied, and I lied, I'm gonna actually take a little bit more. Just a bit. And what this does is it just helps to lay them in place or to set them for when I do fill them in, which is gonna be next. Okay, so now we're gonna use this end, which is the pencil, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna start at the middle of my brow. I'm gonna let these dry a little bit more, because if you apply it and it's wet, you'll kind of get like a little bit of like slick, or what is it, slack? I don't know the word for it, but so you want to start at the middle of your eyebrow. And I'm just gonna do some strokes. And then brush through what I just applied. And then ease my way towards the front. And as I ease it towards the front, I also make my way upwards too. Okay. It's coming along. And I kind of like that bushy look, so I'm usually not too worried about the end because I know that my hairs on the end are sort of thin. But it gives me the look that I like. So you can choose what works for you. And then, yeah. So that's one eyebrow. Okay. I like to conceal the top of my brow with the NYX WonderStick. So this is a two-headed highlight and contour stick. I use the contour sometimes when I'm doing my makeup. This is the dark contour, and this is the highlight. So just gonna go on top of the eyebrow. Oop. And I know it looks messy right now, guys, but don't worry, we're gonna go back in and blend this all out with our beauty blender afterwards. So that's one eyebrow. The next eyebrow. Now, it's important to remember because I struggle with this a lot too, but eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So keep that in mind if you are going into this tutorial thinking that both of your eyebrows are gonna come out looking the exact same, because, honey, not possible. Not possible for me. So I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow. And so now we're gonna go on top with a little bit of concealer. I'm also gonna go underneath my eyebrows with my Maybelline FitMe concealer. I don't know the color of this one, but I will link it down below with everything else. Now I know it's looking a little colorful, a little bit messy right now, but you know, the process isn't always pretty, but the outcome is. Keep that in mind, ladies. So we're gonna go in next and blend these babies out. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. And then we're gonna do underneath as well. We're gonna go in another concealer to kind of make it a little bit more brown. So I have been using I'm gonna leave that to set while I do the rest of my makeup. I lied. I lied. I'm gonna blend that in and then I'm gonna do my makeup off camera and come back and show you guys the finished look. And then I also like to take care of the middle, of course, because you don't want concealer brow. Like I said, you guys, this is just a simple, easy routine. You can do this with foundation over it, or you can do it bare face. Just make sure that you please conceal, because we do not want Sharpie brows, baby. We don't want Sharpie brows. This LA Colors Browie Wowie pencil has pretty much been a godsend for me. I've been using it for 2 or 3 years now, and I have 0 complaints. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know down below in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what type of videos you might want to see from me in the future, and we can make that happen. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever, and tag me if you end up using this tutorial and you love it. So this is just a natural, full, lengthy brow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more makeup videos or you want to let me know what type of content I should film next, just make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share what you think of my eyebrows and what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. All right, guys, Stella out. Talk to you soon. Bye.